Allentown, Reading, and we're on a mission to find out what's so cool about manufacturing. Let's find out!
When was the Rose Corporation founded?
In 1987, my uncle, actually, Lou Bruno, founded it.
And how did the company get its name?
Got its name, my uncle, actually it's my aunt, who's Rosemary Bruno, and my uncle basically put her name on it.
You make products that help the environment. Can you tell us about those products?
Yes, we have a customer that we do a lot of work for. They're big scrubbing units is what they basically are. They're these, trying to say in layman's terms, they're like a big, huge can. And inside of that can, there's different parts in it that smoke and bad fumes from different companies. It goes through this thing and there's a process, and on the other end of it comes out clean.
What special skills or knowledge have you gained to help you in your job?
Recently I took a course last year. It's a CWI, it's a Certified Weld Inspector's course, which goes over all the standards and codes and knowledge of how to be a better inspector for me to check the welding here. So that was a really good course for me. It was 7 days, 8 hours a day with an 8-hour test at the end. So it went over like all the different aspects of welding, not just what we do here, but what they also do out in the field.
Describe the coolest project you ever worked on here.
The coolest projects, to me, because I'm a sports fan, we did the scoreboard for like the Atlanta Braves Stadium and the Atlanta Falcons. We did part of the poles for that.
How do you think the Rose Corporation benefits Reading other than employment?
We do a lot of stuff for the city. Like if you go to the playgrounds and look at the basketball backboards, last year we redid 10 of them. If you ever go up to the pagoda and look at the sign, we redid the sign for them there. And also all the big yellow swing gates that you see that are freshly painted, they all actually came from here also.
Manufacturing is cool, but now back to school.